Knapweed. Key features and information. Botanical name. Knapweed refers to several species within the genus Centaurea, a member of the Asteraceae family. Common species include Centaurea nigra, black knapweed, and Centaurea maculosa, spotted knapweed. Habitat. Knapweed is native to Europe and Asia, but it has become widely naturalized in North America. It thrives in a variety of habitats, including disturbed areas such as roadsides, fields, meadows, and pastures, often in well-drained soils and full sunlight. Leaves. Knapweed leaves are usually lance-shaped and can vary in size depending on the species. They are typically deeply lobed or divided and have a rough texture. The leaves grow alternately along the stem and are usually a silvery-green color, especially in some species like the spotted knapweed. Flowers. Knapweed flowers are one of its most striking features, attracting pollinators and giving the plant a unique appearance. Colors. The flowers come in a range of colors, including purple, pink, and white, depending on the species. The flower heads are often characterized by their thistle-like appearance. Structure. Each flower head is made up of numerous small, tubular florets that form a cluster, resembling a pincushion. Fragrance. Knapweed flowers have a mild fragrance that is not as pronounced as some other wildflowers but still appealing to pollinators. Blooming time. Knapweed typically blooms from late spring to early fall, depending on the species and growing conditions. The flowers appear in clusters at the ends of stems or branches. Adaptations. Drought tolerance. Knapweed is drought tolerant and can thrive in poor soil conditions, making it well suited for disturbed and dry environments. Self-seeding. Knapweed is a prolific self-seeder, producing numerous seeds that can spread easily, contributing to its spread in wild areas. Cultural symbolism. Knapweed doesn't have a widespread cultural symbolism, but in some regions, it is considered a weed due to its invasive nature and rapid spread in non-native environments. Uses. 1. Medicinal uses. Historically, some species of knapweed, particularly Centaurea cyanus, cornflower, have been used in traditional medicine, though the use of most knapweeds in modern herbalism is limited. Some varieties are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and have been used to treat conditions such as eye infections or as a mild diuretic. 2. Wildlife and pollinator support. Knapweed is beneficial to wildlife, attracting pollinators like bees, butterflies, and other insects. It also provides food for birds in its seed stage. 3. Naturalizing and ground cover. Some species of knapweed are planted for ornamental purposes in wildflower meadows or naturalized gardens. They are also used to stabilize soil in erosion-prone areas. Ecological importance. Invasive species. In some regions, especially in North America, knapweed is considered an invasive species, particularly Centaurea maculosa, spotted knapweed. It can outcompete native plants, reduce biodiversity, and alter ecosystem dynamics. Pollinator attraction. Knapweed flowers provide a valuable nectar source for pollinators during the growing season, supporting local ecosystems. Care and maintenance. Planting. Knapweed is relatively easy to grow in wildflower gardens and meadows. It prefers full sun and well-drained soil. Invasive control. In regions where knapweed is invasive, management strategies may include mechanical removal, herbicide treatment, and encouraging the growth of native plants to help reduce its spread. Knapweed is a hardy and resilient plant that can add vibrant color to gardens and fields. However, it is essential to be mindful of its invasive potential in certain regions, where it can dominate native plant populations.